In these problems, you're solving for a missing variable. Solving for a missing variable based on a relationship between the two lines. It could be perpendicularity or it could be parallelism. In this case, we're dealing with perpendicular lines. So they're saying that the line containing points 8, 7, 7, negative 6 is perpendicular to the line containing the point 2, 4, and x3. So we have to find out what x is. What are they saying? There's a relationship between slopes of perpendicular lines, negative reciprocals. So we find this slope, invert it, change the sign, then solve for this unknown value using the slope equation, because we will know the slope of the second line. So the first line negative divided by a negative is a positive. If we wanted to verify this, that this is actually a positive slope, we can do a quick sketch. Let's do a quick sketch of that line. What do I mean by a quick sketch? Point 187 is approximately going the same distance over here. 7, negative 6 is down here. So you're looking at a line that rises rapidly. From when it was at 7, it was at negative 6, to when it just moves 1 over to 8, it's at positive 7. So that's a huge positive slope. So that looks right for us. If the slope of this line is 13 over 1, the slope of the perpendicular has to be the negative reciprocal. It's negative 1 over 3. So I know the slope of the second line has to be negative 1 over 13. That has to be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. X is my x2. That's my unknown. Okay? So negative 1 over 13 has to be equal to 3 minus 4. That's y2. That's y1. I should label these x2, y2, x1, y1. x2, that's my unknown x, minus 2. That has to be equal to negative 1 over 13. 3 minus 4 is negative 1 divided by x minus 2. Negative 1 over x minus 2 is equal to negative 1 over 13. So x minus 2 is equal to 13 plus 2 on both sides. X is equal to 15. Sorry, that calculation slid off of the page. To verify this, that it should be a perpendicular line should look like this. So let's look at that point. 2, 4 is going to be here. 15 is going to be double this distance of 7. And then 3 is going to be here. So you're looking at a line that does look like this. So that's the verification that it is perpendicular. Thank you.